Hello everyone, I am Laura from BIMobject and today I will talk you about Caleffi BIMobjects. We are in the BIMobject cloud and we can use various filters and keywords to find the products we need. Here we filter for the brand Caleffi and we have the list of products available as BIMobjects. Today they are more than 100. In this list we can also find a scheme of a working central heating. In its product page there are some useful information and in the download area we can get the IFC file. If you would like to have the scheme as a Revit project instead, you can write an email to bim@caleffi.com. Here we can see a preview of the file that we are able to download. In the Browse menu, there is the full structure of the model, and we can find here the product that we need for our project. We choose the pressure independent control valve, for example, and it is automatically highlighted in the model. We can see its 3D, connections to the systems and also properties. In the type properties, there are also links to the product pages for this file, so we are able to download it. The BIMobject product page of this Caleffi valve can be seen both in Italian and in English. Here we find the description, links to Caleffi website, information of where this product is available and other characteristics. Through the download button we choose the file that we need for the project. We save it and import it in our Revit file. In low detail representation, the valve is shown as symbol, both in 2D and 3D, in order to make easier the design. If we change the detail to high, we can see the full 3D representation. Through the Type Properties button, we get all the information needed to create our project. At the bottom of the list, we have also the option to add the actuator like this. And here we have also our new 3D. Remember that you can always check for updates, extended properties, and go back to the product page through the BIMobject app if you need to. It's all for today. Feel free to download and try Caleffi product in your latest project. See you soon!